Hello friends. Hello friends. I am Kuldeep Pukare. Today we are going to discuss about milling machine. See here the block diagram of milling machine, the front view and side view. First of all, we will see the principle of milling. Here in milling machine, cutting tool is called as cutter. This cutter rotates at high speed and workpiece is held against it. The rotary cutter has multi-point cutting edges which removes metal at very fast rate. Earlier machine tools, there are single point cutting tools are there in lathe machine, drilling machine, etc. Shaper machine. But in milling machine, the cutter is used as a multi-point cutting edges, which effects that the metal is removed from workpiece is at very fast rate. So this is the principle of milling machine. Now we will see in front view there are different main parts of milling machine. The main parts of milling machines are base, column, overarm, arbor and arbor support, knee, table. These are the main parts of a milling machine. We will see one by one. Base. It is the lowermost part which supports the all machine parts. The material of the base is a grey cast iron. It carries column at one end and knee at other end. In some machines, base is hollow and acts as a reservoir for cutting fluid. Column. It is a supporting frame mounted on base. Column is a box shaped and contains driving mechanism of spindle as well as table. Front side of column has guide ways and slide ways to support knee. On the top of column, overarm is present, which is used to support the arbor. It is shown in that figure. The overarm on the top side of this milling machine in front view, it is shown. The overarm is mounted on column and it gives bearing support to the another end of arbor. Overarm can be adjustable in such a way that bearing support is nearest to the cutter. For more cutters, more than one bearing supports can be provided. Next part is a knee. It is present at front side of column and which slides up and down. According to workpiece height, knee moves up and down with the help of elevating screw. The knee contains different feeding mechanism and controllers for the table. The top surface of knee has a slide wedge for table which can move in x, Y direction. Next part is a table. It is present on knee which slides longitudinal and cross direction. Top surface of table is machined and has T slots for clamping the workpiece purpose. In universal machine, table can be swelled horizontally. This is a extra attachment in the universal machine. Next important part is arbor and arbor support. It is nothing but extension of machine spindle on which milling cutters are mounted, which is shown in below this overarm on the top of the column. Now we will see the working of milling machine. Column and knee type milling machine is the most commonly used milling machine. It is the one of the type of milling machine. The workpiece is attached on table with the help of clamping devices, and with the help of knee it can be placed below cutter. Cutter is mounted on arbor which rotates at high speed. Up milling or down milling can be preferred as per the requirement, and you can move the table from left to side right, right to left in x y direction. It means that the workpiece is fed against to the cutting tool. That time metal will be removed from the workpiece. Thank you.